Here's a little tool you can use if you have your headstock, you got chuck. You turn a little piece of aluminum. Well, that's going to come in. Anyway, get the idea. It's on the headstock. That'll fit the button. And on the tailstock, got a live chuck and a piece of aluminum turned to the diameter of the draught hole. Anyway, I've already got 10 in here, but this basically goes on there. This slides up, fits there, give some tension, lock it down, and you would have your tool rest here on your wood lathe. And there you go. Just another option for you guys for turning the stems on a wood lathe. I know all of you don't have a metal lathe. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.